Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a Correo unboxing. Yay! This is not a gifted though. I received a $50 gift card from them, so obviously I couldn't resist, so I bought stuff even though I was trying to save money, but whatever. So I'm gonna take advantage because the gift card was like 2 to 3 days available, so that means that I could only use it for like those 2 to 3 days. If not, the gift card was clearly gonna go to waste. So I was like, you know what, I'm still gonna use it. So I couldn't resist. So okay, the first thing is this little baggie. Oh, and this $10 gift card. Like always, I always put the codes on my description box so you can look at it. It's freaking cold. Oh, this smells weird. Okay. Oh, it's because it kind of rained. It feels like wet. Yeah, it feels damp, not wet, like because it rained. But yesterday, so okay. So let me just open it. I hope this didn't get ruined, but oh well. I just sneezed, so I'm like sniffing because of the weather. Okay, so. Ooh, what is this? This looks big. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is a bra. I had to get a bra, you know. I wanted the yellow one, but it was sold out. My size was sold out in the yellow shades, so obviously I just had to get this one. They didn't have a lot of options yet left. Okay, so this is size medium, of course, and this is nylon. So it feels very like soft, but like kind of like, I guess, swimwear. I don't know, but this one feels very thick. Look, I thought it was gonna be like a regular cotton one. Like I didn't think it was gonna be like this stiff or hard. Look, you can hear it. I don't like this material for bras because this feels more like a sports bra. I think it feels like more compressed as opposed to for you to use it every day. I don't know, but I'll still try and use it, I guess. But this doesn't have like a cup or anything to hide your you know what, but actually maybe it can because it's pretty thick. So it's like a nude color. I thought it was gonna be more pink when I saw it in the picture on the website. I mean, I don't know, but still pretty nice. But I was expecting something else. Oh well, so whatever. So this is in the color Hot Honey. It says right here, but on the website I think it said blushed or something. I don't forget the color. Oops, there's two. So that's that. Okay, so the next thing is this is, let me open it. I think it's an underwear. So oh, I love this color. When I saw this color, I just fell in love with it. It's like a teal green color. It's so pretty. Look, and it's very soft. Remember, I got like a blue one in the last unboxing, but I gave it away, and I was like, I kind of want one now. So this one, I got it for myself because I be giving stuff away, and I'm like, oh wait, I think I needed that. I'm like, oops. So then I have to waste my money anyway. So this is very soft, and as you can see, it doesn't have a waistband in your underwear, so you're not gonna get that line from the elastane band that leaves in your skin. This doesn't have that, so that's why I wanted one so bad, and it's so comfortable and soft. And then the back, I like that it covers most of everything because you already know thongs are rise up your ass and it's so uncomfortable. You get like itchy and wedgy. I don't like thongs, so obviously TMI. I don't care. For some people it may be TMI, but I just love these type of underwears that they cover everything and they're soft. I love briefs. Briefs is my thing. Like, you know, they're not like granny panties, but they're not like super sexy type of underwear. It's just in between and comfortable. So and this part has cotton in case y'all are intrigued or interested, like, I know women shouldn't be wearing nylon underwear. They're supposed to wear cotton material underwear for, you know, down there. You already know why. So obviously this one has cotton in the intimate part area, but the rest is nylon, so the rest doesn't matter. You're good. As long as that intimate part is cotton, then you're fine and good to go. So yeah, that's why I love these. They're comfortable and they're made for women to wear. They're not gonna give you an infection or anything like that. So, and I just wanted to get the blue one for myself, but it was sold out. Every color was sold out because, oh my gosh, these, I wasn't even gonna buy these or the other stuff showing that I'm gonna show here, because I was just gonna get one thing, and then, you know, when you order in your card, parade listed stuff, they're like, you can get this for a free mystery pair, or you can add these things for free shipping, or you can like add these things before they're all gone and they're no longer sold or stuff like that. And it was like $4 or $5, and they put all the cheap stuff. And I was like, you know what, I cannot handle that. If I see a sale or something cheap and it's cute and I'm gonna get a free mystery pair, then of course I'm gonna buy it all. I can control myself. If not, I was just gonna get one thing that covered the whole gift card and shipping and get a mystery pair. But I was like, you know what, I can't handle my shopping holic person in me. I had to get it. And you know what, you can never have too many underwears or bras, like, you know what I'm saying, like most of them I gave away, so it's like I started from scratch. I just needed more. So not me trying to feel guilty. I always say that to myself so I won't feel guilty, but it's true. It's like you need like at least one for every day, you know what I'm saying? So I had to get it. It kind of matches with this. It's pretty nice. Anyway, so yeah. Oh, that was in the color Pine, so that's pretty nice, and it looks cool for the holidays, you know, for Christmas and all that. Not like everyone's gonna see it, but you know, so you can feel like cool, like festive. I don't know, freaking know. You already know. So, oh, so that phone. Okay, so more gift cards. So as always, I'm gonna list it down below. Okay, this is, I don't know which one's the mystery pair. So let's see. I can't remember which one I got. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but we'll see. Let me open this. Okay, I quickly opened the plastic so it can be easier for me to unbox. Okay, this is, oh, another pair of underwear. Wait, I think this is a mystery pair. I don't think I bought this. Wait, is this underwear or a thong? Yeah, I wouldn't wear this at all. Yeah, I didn't buy this. So, but it's a pretty cool gray color. I wouldn't wear gray underwear like this. Actually, maybe, yeah, I think I would, but it wouldn't be my first choice. This material as a thong, it looks uncomfortable. I don't freaking know, but yeah, that's my mystery pair. The last mystery pair, I didn't unbox it, but I ordered stuff, not for me, for someone else. The mystery pair was spot on. I wanted it for myself, but I felt guilty to be like, can I have that? So I just gave it away. I know it's a thing I need to work on. Stop feeling guilty and giving everything of my stuff away. It's just, like, I feel bad, like I'm the only one getting stuff and not other people around me. I just have to give my stuff away even though I want it. It's bad, I know, but oh well. So, oh, and this size medium, they got my size right. Whew, thank God. So this is in the color graphite. So yeah, it's a thong. This is not something I will wear. I probably won't even use this. I forget. So this mystery pairs are hit and misses. So it's alright, whatever. So the next thing is this. Did I buy this? I guess so. I don't remember this color, but I guess I did. This is a brief. It says color naked 3. I don't know, but it's a pretty brownish color. Like, I think I didn't even want this color, but I just wanted a extra pair of underwear. And this one's mesh. I already got sent one like this, but in yellow version, but I gave it away, like always. Like, I know, but I was like, I just need another underwear, so I just follow. I probably wouldn't use this color, but didn't have any more of other cute colors left, so I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna get what I can get, kind of thing. So, okay. The next thing is my favorite part. I just couldn't get past it. Like, if y'all know me, I love movies and TV shows more than music. I mean, I love music too, but if I have to choose, I'm a movie, TV show fanatic, alright? So, this reminds me of the iconic 2000 movie called 13 Going on 30. It's like a rom-com, chick flick, teenage girl movie, but also like a 30-year-old adult movie. So it's good for all ages, but especially for us girls, you know, like pre-teen age or teenage age or adult age, you know, early adulthood age. So yeah, I was like, I always wanted to dress up as her, like that iconic dress. I might put it here. This bra, oh my gosh, it reminded me of that. The color, the texture, so I was like, I had to get it. I just had to. And look, doesn't it look so fun and colorful and pretty? This looks exactly like the top of the dress. Oh my gosh, and the shape and the cut, I think it was triangle as well. I just, even though this one looks more neon and brighter, and I love neon and colorful stuff, so I was like, you know what, I couldn't say no to this. Look how pretty it is. So this is how the back looks. It's a class. Ooh, this is pretty thick compared to the other ones that I have. It looks like this skinnier, like this one's bigger and thicker. So this, ooh, I'm thinking of doing a costume with this. It's so cool. So this is kind of like I said, like that swimsuit material that's soft, and it doesn't have a cup. So I don't know, maybe you might see some nipping action, but you might have to wear like cup padding if you wear it outside. But it's so pretty cool. Look, this is my favorite thing in this whole haul. So yeah, this looks so nice. Oh my god, I just can't stop staring at it. So this is in the color, wow, it has a lot of names like taffy blue, pink, yarrow, acid lime, literally everything. But in the website it was named differently, I can't remember. So it's iconic. That's that for that. What else did I get? Oh crap, I thought I got like an, oh wait, no, never mind, I was freaking out. Okay, so this is the last thing. This is a clothing piece. This is the thing that I said that I could only get with my gift card, that totaled it, like this totaled like 48 and the gift card 50. So with this I was good to go, you know, but I couldn't handle myself, so I bought the other things anyway. So it was either this or the teddy jacket, but living here is not as cold a lot all year, so I was like, I'm just gonna get this little fall skinny sweater that is good for all year. So I was like, you know, I couldn't decide, so I just got this because I might wear this more often as the other one. So it's this like fall light sweater, jacket, jumper, however you call it. It's kind of like a long sleeve, but with a zipper and like a collar. So it looked very good on the model when she wore like a sports bra underneath and the zipper like that. It looked good on her, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it. It looks good for every day, you know. And this is the back, so, and it kind of matches with my joggers that I got a while back. So this I will use for every day to do errands or to go out. Or it kind of looks like you can work out on it, like go for a jog or walk. So it's like, this is the type of clothes I wear on the daily basis. I just don't really do stuff to be honest, like that require me to wear fancy stuff or like jackets. Or so I was like, I'm just gonna get this one. And they had other colors like blue, black, like a reddish maroon one. So it's like, I just got this simple cream white one. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. So this is how the zipper looks. It's like a round circle and it opens all the way down. So you can use this as like a layered thing, like a shirt or a bra, or like, or just put it up all the way here and it looks more serious, more fancy looking, like this. Kind of looks like a turtleneck, but yeah. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and this is in the color Navajo. So, and size medium. Everything I got is in the size medium. So yeah, I'm a medium size queen. Well, now because I gained weight, because I'm usually a small. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. My hair. Yeah, so which thing is your favorite thing? To me, obviously, was this, the bra. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.